Hi, I'm Dr. Shikha Sharma. Today we'll be talking about how to lose belly fat. Now, normally we have seen that belly fat comes under two conditions. One is, of course, after pregnancy for women, and for men, which is called the middle-aged fat or the middle-aged extra tire, what some people call it also. Now, belly fat is primarily due to a couple of reasons. One is, as we age, the muscle strength of our abdomen or the belly becomes lesser and lesser, and therefore instead of holding the stomach in, it starts protruding out. Number two is because of stress and because of change in hormonal profile, the insulin becomes predominant, and insulin rises a lot in response to any carbohydrate meal which we take, and because of that again it all accumulates on the stomach. Now, what is the way to lose belly fat? Of course, two things. One is exercise and second is nutrition. In exercise, some of the very good exercise for losing belly fat is ab crunches and core muscle exercises. So core muscle exercises are typically exercises which hold your body in for a longer duration in a particular stretched tonic state of contraction, and that helps to lose some belly fat. So ab crunches and this kind of exercise, and third is of course Nauka asana, which is also called the boat exercise. So the boat exercise is you raise your legs and you raise your hands and arms and your head and become like a boat while lying down on the floor, and this puts an enormous amount of pressure on the stomach and also helps you to reduce belly fat. The second is of course diet. What is the kind of diet you should have? First thing, you should have sprouted methi seeds. Why sprouted methi seeds? Because it's very good source of insulin control or obesity due to insulin. So 1 teaspoon of sprouted methi seeds are very good. Second thing is you should have ginger water. If you want to add a little bit of flavor, and also if you have a tendency towards belly fat, then add a little bit of a pinch of cinnamon powder. So cinnamon powder, ginger root, boil it when it's become a decoction, drink that every day, and that will help you lose your belly fat. Third thing is, to lose belly fat is very important to cut down on too much of coffee, because coffee with milk, high fat milk, all these things add to the belly fat. Another thing which is very important is to have a little bit of grains in its whole form, like kala chana. Kala chana is excellent. It not only removes the belly fat, it is also excellent because it helps you to lose weight overall. So sprouted kala chana you can have, or you can have like if you make it into a powder, the kala chana, then besan pancakes you can make. But the best of course is sprouted kala chana for breakfast or for lunch. Another way to lose belly fat is of course Ayurveda. So ladies who have belly fat post pregnancy, they should do panchkarma. Udvartanam is one of the therapies which is powders, which are Ayurvedic powders, which are applied on the body, and the body is massaged with those powders. And then after that, steam is taken for 10-15 minutes, and along with of course a proper diet and exercise. So Panchkarma Udvartanam therapy is excellent for belly fat. So do try some of these methods and write into us at ask@drshikha.com, which is ask@drshikha.com.